India has emerged as the fastest growing major economy in the world and is expected to be one of the top 3 economic powers backed by its robust democracy and strong partnerships. Racing towards a $5 trillion economy, India has become a global hub for foreign direct investment and offers a stage for the advancement of automation and manufacturing technology. Under the visionary leadership of Shri Narendra Modi, the country has witnessed unprecedented economic growth. Within the country, Gujarat is rapidly accelerating as an investor-friendly state. It contributes to about a quarter of India's goods exports. In FY 2021, Gujarat received the highest FDI at $21.89 billion and stood on top of other states with 30% of the total equity inflows. In June 2022, the Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone of development projects worth $2.63 billion. With sound infrastructure, various government policies and incentives, industrial development and a rich labour pool, Gujarat is one of the most progressive states and offers many avenues for progress. The stage is set for the country's largest technology extravaganza. ENGIMACH, a platform like no other. With a legacy of over 25 years, ENGIMACH has been a major contributor to the growth of engineering and manufacturing sectors in the country. 15 editions, 35 participating countries, more than 7,000 exhibitors, more than 1 lakh innovative products showcased, over 5 million business visitors, and a whopping 115 billion rupees worth business generated. It is a marketplace for showcasing and sourcing ideal solutions, a platform to witness stellar innovations and robust technology, a springboard for launching ideas and innovations, a forum for networking and knowledge sharing, an avenue for brand building and business development. We are back with a bigger vision to bring you the best from across the globe. Innovate, accelerate, inspire at ENGIMACH. Become a part of the largest platform to demonstrate and witness the best in engineering, automation and manufacturing technology. ENGIMACH 2023 will also offer technology seminars, B2B meets, an international buyer-seller meet, startup and innovation summit, industry leaders as speakers, and city tour. Get the opportunity to interact and network with the best minds in the industry from across the globe. Join the League of Industry Stalwarts at one of India's largest convention and exhibition centre, the Helipad Exhibition Centre. An epitome of excellence, the venue has also hosted some of India's most acclaimed summits and exhibitions, including the prestigious Vibrant Gujarat Global Investment Summit, the Defence Expo as well as Plast India. Witness the future of engineering, automation and manufacturing technology. 16th ENGIMACH, 6th to 10th December 2023, Helipad Exhibition Centre, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Register today. K&D Communication Limited. Creating business opportunities, fueling economic growth.